Yeah, it's kind of what it feels like to be drunk.
How you doing, dude?
Okay.
What have you been doing?
I don't know.
Do you know where you are?
I'm in some hospital thing. Working.
Yeah. Where are we going?
Home.
We are?
Yeah.
You sure?
Well,
Are you tired?
kinda.
Huh. What did they do to you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Don't chew on those. It's okay.
Are you gonna make it?
Are you sure? Where are you going? Yeah, all right?
Yeah. Fine.
Are you sure? Okay. All right. Yeah. What happens if I let go?
Punch the door.
I'll go in some direction.
Okay. Do you remember where we parked? Okay.
Can you say your ABCs?
Probably not. Maybe in a little bit. I will.
In a little bit, you're gonna be sleeping, probably.
Where are you going?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure? All right. Do you want to get on this side? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you'd probably be better off on your side, Tara.
All right. Means he's got to walk more.
You look like an old lady. What?
Uh-oh. You gonna puke?
No.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you
All
get in?
right. Get in.
Where's he going?
Where are you going, Rain?
Sit down.
What are you doing? Huh?
Oh, I fell.
You fell? We're in the car.
Yeah, I know.
Can you say your ABCs now?
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, L, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Oh.
Okay.
What letter is then?
What?
Huh?
What? I
What?
didn't get that.
I don't either. What letter is then? You said Y, then Z.
Well, I almost forgot the last one.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
You gonna make it?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
What do you feel like?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Is your face numb?
Yeah, I'm numb.
Hmm.
Kinda hard to talk.
Huh?
That's good. He's got a whole bunch of gauze.
You
in
got
his mouth.
gauze in your mouth. Are we supposed to get more?
They've got some.
Oh.
He doesn't need too much.
We're still not moving.